Problem 29 has two parts, so let's look at both of them. 20 people attend a meeting at which 3 different door prizes are awarded by drawing names. If a name is drawn and replaced for the next drawing, in how many ways can the door prizes be awarded? Well, in that situation, we have repetition allowed, don't we? We're really just drawing from one set, the set of the attendees, the 20 attendees, but we're allowing repetition, so that simply makes it a multiplication problem. When we choose for the first prize, there are 20 ways to do that. You're choosing one person to win that first prize. Then you're going to take the winner's name, put it back in. So when you draw for the next prize, there are still 20 people who can be the winner. And when you draw for the third prize, likewise, there are 20 people who can be the winner because you've replaced their name. And anyone, even a winner from the previous prize, can win again. So the number of different ways would be 8,000. There are 8,000 different ways you could award those 3 prizes if you allow one person to win more than one prize, if repetition is allowed. Now, if a name is drawn and not replaced, then you're not allowing repetition. So in how many ways can the door prizes be awarded? Well, if you're not allowing repetition, that's either a permutation or a combination. And since it said there are 3 different prizes, then that means you have a permutation situation. If all 3 prizes were the same, then that would be a combination situation. But it's different prizes, different tasks, different roles, different jobs. Order is significant. That's a permutation. So that's a permutation of 20 taken 3 at a time. Or another way to think about it, when you draw that first prize, there were 20 different ways it could have been awarded. Then the next prize, there are only 19 because that one person who won isn't back in there to win again. And the third drawing, there are only 18 different ways you can choose that one person to win that prize. And if we take the product of those 3 numbers, what do we get here? We get 6,840. So if you're going to allow one person to win more than one prize, there are 8,000 different ways you could award those 3 different prizes. If you're not going to allow that to happen, then there are 6,840.